How to install a tailgate handle and latch set for a 1999 to 2007 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, 14mm socket and ratchet, and we suggest something to pry with. This set includes a handle, bezel, latches, cables, rods, and bedside hinges. Open the tailgate and remove the cables by simply pulling up and out. Firmly grab both ends of the gate. We suggest having a partner. Remove the passenger side first by pushing in towards the driver's side, then out. Place out of the way. We will start by replacing the bedside hinges. You will notice that they are slightly different. The one with the opening will be placed on the passenger side. Use the ratchet to unscrew the old hinges. Then remove. Screw in the new hinges and tighten. Gently slide the tailgate back into place, driver's side first. Now use something to gently pry off the bezel. You just need a bit of pressure to remove. This is a tight space, but you need to flip down the clips connecting the handle to the rods. Then pull out the rods from the handle. Use the ratchet to remove the two bolts from the center of the panel on the tailgate. Then use the screwdriver to remove the screws from the perimeter. Remove the panel and place out of the way. Then use the ratchet to remove the bolt holding the handle in place. Make sure to hold the handle with one hand and remove the bolt with the other. Use the ratchet to unbolt the cable from the latch. Then unbolt the latch from the tailgate. A rod is attached to the latch. Slightly pull the latch away from the tailgate so you can unclip the rod from it. Gently push the clip away from the rod, then push the rod away from the latch. Now you can pull out the rod. Hook and clip the new rod into the new latch. Then insert the rod into the hole, making sure it reaches the middle where the handle will be. Bolt the latch back into place, remembering that the new cable needs to be connected to the side closest to the hinges. Now hook the new cable onto the truck by gently pressing it on. Now we'll attach the new handle. Use one hand to hold the handle up while using the other hand to insert and clip the rods into it. While still holding on to the handle, use the other hand to bolt it in from the other side. Place the panel back into position. Use the ratchet to attach the center bolts and the screwdriver to attach the screws around the perimeter. Use pressure to put the new bezel into place. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching. Brock Supply, your advantage in automotive.